Hi guys, so I'm back with another haul. So today I have an ASOS haul. So I have loads of stuff which I'd love to show you. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and do let me know what are your favourite pieces, and do drop that in the comments below. So I'll put all the links where possible, and I hope you enjoy. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. So if you're also into your homeware, do check out my Instagram and also my recent store visits. So I purchased this cardigan from Collusion, and this is the first time I've purchased from there, but I'm really liking what I see. So it has this really lovely houndstooth pattern, and I'll give you a show. So the pattern is in brown and black, and here's a close-up. So here's the cardigan in full. So this is a lovely woolly fabric and will definitely keep you warm, and also there are just black buttons which run up and down it. So I'll definitely put a picture so you can get a better look, but I'm really liking what I see. So I should mention this is a unisex item, so it could come off very oversized, and I definitely size down. So right here I have the small, and this is very generous, so I think even someone who wears large could even wear this small size. So if you're looking for a comfy wear, then this is definitely something to look at, and I'll be gifting this, but you can also of course purchase this for yourself. So I also saw the same jumper in a different type of style, so now let's have a look. So it is in this same pattern, so the houndstooth, and I really do like it. I think it's really versatile and you can definitely wear for many years. So this is the cardigan, and you may notice it's cropped. So I did buy this cardigan for myself, and I really like the style. So this is a shorter version of the first cardigan, so I really do like the cut of this cardigan. So depending on your style or preference, you could choose either, and I'll definitely put the links for these items below. It does look like this cardigan is true to size. So staying with Collusion, I bought another item from them, these flares, and it looks like flares are really having a comeback, so I'm really loving that. So these are in a ribbed fabric. So here's a close-up, and the fabric is slightly stretchy, and I should also show you the flare part. So the flare part at the bottom isn't too exaggerated, and I think will definitely not be too much, so it won't drag totally over your shoe or trainers. So here's a look at the waistline. So if you're looking for some everyday comfortable flares, then do give these a look. So now I'm moving on to new look, and I got right here these Czech trousers. So here's a look. So this is the Czech pattern. So it just has the zip detail at the top on either side. And this is in a slim leg. So these look like they'll be really fitted, and if you like your Czech patterns, or you're just after a really neat pair of trousers, then do give these a go. And of course New Look has lots of different colours, so you can also perhaps get these in those also. So here's just a quick look at the back. So these type of trousers are great for every day, and of course you can also wear in a smart casual look. So now I have a dress from JDY. So this is a Jaclyn Deyong dress, and this is in a sheer check pattern. So now let's have a look. So this is the dress in full. So there's a tie up front, and it also has a bit of an elasticated wrist. And here is a look at the sheer fabric. So this sheer fabric runs throughout, but I wouldn't say it's too delicate. So this is really wearable and also has an inner part. So below the dress is this inner part, and of course that should keep you nice and layered and covered. So I would say this is a really full length dress and would look great with boots. So I'll put some pictures for you to get a closer look, and of course I'll put a link in the description. So there's also a ruffle part on this dress. So although this dress is sheer, it isn't transparent, so definitely is a comfortable fit and also not see-through. So my last item in is another cardigan. So it's still pretty cold, so here's another cardigan in. So this is the ASOS Design Oversized Cardigan in brown. So here's the cardigan. Now let's take a look. So it's very, very thick. I'm loving this fabric. It's super, super cozy and it's really, really soft. So here's a look at the pattern. So it's this cheetah / animal print pattern. So here's the cardi in full. So this is such a great pattern, and I really, really love the fabric. It feels really quality, and I think is going to last a long time. So I think the oversizedness of the jumper can really have a great look, but I would say do be aware that it is really generous. So you might possibly want to also size down. So the buttons also really do match with the pattern. So again, I'll insert some pictures so you can get a closer look. So guys, thank you for watching my ASOS haul. So what items did you like? I hope you found this helpful, and do let me know again your thoughts in the comments below. So take care, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.